Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to improve the Samsung headphone audio. For this, simply go to settings and here you can see the option accessibility. Tap on this one. Then tap on hearing enhancements. Then in this page, you can see the option adapt sound. First of all, we need to turn on this option adapt sound. Okay, and here you can see the option for the we can adjust here for the sound balance for the left or right, and this is for the connected audio and this is for the phone speaker. If you want to improve the Samsung headphone audio, then you need to adjust this one. You need to make sure to put this to the center of the slider. These settings can improve the headphone audio quality and personalize sound for better listening. So hoping guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.